All right, today's Saturday morning. The next day, we're back. We just got to put everything that's on this table back on the car. It should be fairly easy. The hard part is done. So the fuel line, brake booster, just mounting everything. Everything is done already for us. I'm probably going to do a time lapse because this will be the second time we put this car back together. And you guys already saw that. So let's go ahead and get started. I don't want to waste any more time. We should have this all ready to go in maybe 2 hours, maybe an hour. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. We got the car back together. I still haven't plugged up or connected the positive negative here on the battery, but the battery's in there. Radiator's back on. We just got to put some coolant in here. So these are just hanging in there. I still got to put spark plugs in here, but I think what we're gonna do, since I'm very confident that we did a good job with the timing, I think we could do it. We can put on the valve cover that we got powder coated, and it's been sitting here for a couple months now. So I'll show you guys again one more time. It's just a black one and it's got some red flakes on there. It's a little dusty and dirty, but so we got that. Come over here. Okay, got one of these Felpro with the whole kit and all that, the seals and all that. I know some of you guys go Honda, but I've been running Felpro on my RSX forever. So here they are, laser, iridium. I don't know, I just got them at Advanced Auto Part. There's a part number. These are the same ones I'm running on the RSX. You guys are the first to see it other than me. I'm gonna add the engine oil, coolant. We're not worried about brakes yet. And coil packs. Screw those down, get these all plugged in, go through my wiring again, check my grounds, get the battery all situated. Yeah, and then I'll go inside, mess around with K-Pro a little bit. We might be able to start it today, but I want to at least get the wiring done, and then maybe we'll start it up tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday, so we were here Friday, Saturday, and then tomorrow we'll try it again. So wheels are on, axles are on, everything's on. Everything's pretty much ready to go, man. I'll show you guys the wiring that I got to mess around with. So that's kind of the mess I have right now. This harness has all the coil packs labeled. C2 on this one. Hold up, let me just plug these in real quick, guys. Exhaust on this side. All right, I got that. I just got to get a filter here. I don't know, we'll figure that out. We gotta tuck this in here. But let me show you guys something that I picked up. All right, so I got a part number right here. Shout outs to ICB Matt. I picked this up from him, and it's a DC5 Type R coil pack cover. And we'll undo this together. So hard to do this with one hand. We can kind of get an idea of how it's gonna look. You know, looks pretty good with the rest of the car. I really like it, and it's kind of what I envisioned. You know, nice fresh valve cover, and then the coil pack, it looks pretty good like that. One other thing we got is this, and I know this is like stupid and minor to spend money on, but it's a black dipstick for a K20. There's a part number in case you guys are looking for one. This is the same one I have. This is the same one I have on my RSX, and we could do a little comparison on the length and stuff. I believe there's a couple different ones, so make sure you guys get the correct one for your engine. But yeah, they're the same length. There we go. So that's in. And then I got one more thing. I think it's over here. Shout outs to Track Tough. He makes really nice valve cover oil caps, or whatever, you know, oil caps, whatever you guys want to call it. So we'll throw that in there. I know we're gonna fill it with oil, but it's just to get an idea of what it's gonna look like. So I really like it. Hopefully you guys like everything that we have so far. I really like the black theme with the red around it. It looks pretty good, especially for us like doing it ourselves and stuff. So let me know what you guys think in the comments so far. So I'm gonna continue try and get all the wiring done. But yeah, this thing's looking pretty good, man. I'm happy with the results so far, and hopefully when we turn it on, everything is good. All right, so coolant is all in. I had Honda coolant, but I ran out, so I just used what I had left. And I added all the oil, so we should be good there. I connected everything and did all my grounds, so we should be good there. I got my laptop set up. Remember I said I was gonna run the O2 sensor from a Type S? For now, I'm just gonna do the wideband. I do have to load up the tune and make sure everything is all good, the correct base map. All right, so let's see, and I don't know why this is all loose here. The whole ignition area, like look at this. Like I think they messed around with this somehow, man. Somebody does some crazy stuff to this car, man. Let me tell you. So get out of this internet, retrieve calibration. So I got this thing set up pretty good. Let me take one more glance before we turn it on. Make sure we didn't leave anything near the belts or anything like that. Hold up. Let's go over here. Battery's all good. No wires near the belt. Belt's on pretty good. Hold up, let me check underneath. Yep, belt's on there good. What else? Anything else in the way? I think we're good, guys. And then I primed it a couple times. We're at a good spot there. I don't see any fuel leaking from anywhere. That's all good. All right, so everything's looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and start her up and hope for the best. Wish me luck. I don't know if you guys are nervous. All right, here we go. I have no clutch right now. I just needed to hit the bottom so I could turn the car on. All right, she's on. And we're gonna see what errors we got. So far we have P034 and 1519. This one I believe is O2 sensor, like air fuel related or whatever. So I'm gonna disable that and see what happens, and then we'll turn it back on. I was getting a loud noise from like this area. I don't know if it has something to do with this. It's way out of spec, so I might go ahead and adjust this pulley thing and try and get this arrow in between, and then we'll start her up again. But so far, man, it's not looking too bad. So cross your fingers. All right, I got the fans to turn on like right away. I had them turn on at 150. Yep, that one's on. Shit. This one's on, and they're blowing in. Hold up. Yep. I try to keep it full. It was just full, and now it's empty. I swear it was just full. Everything's dry underneath. That's the only one we have right now. So let's just hope for the best here. So that's about it, other than this thing that keeps disconnecting for some damn reason. I don't know why. It was on for maybe 10 minutes. I didn't get a check engine or air for like timing, so that's a good thing. I didn't get one for the VTEC solenoid thing on the back anymore. I didn't get one for like the cam thing reading, so that's a good sign. This was making like some clicking noise, so I adjusted it. It's still not like in the middle. It's probably a little too tight, but it kind of like calmed down. It's not doing that clicking shit anymore, so kind of happy with that. As far as the ICV thing, if anyone has an extra one, like in good condition or brand new or whatever, that has one for sale, I did have one and I was just really stupid and I sold it. As far as leaks, I don't see any leaks, you know, I don't know, nothing so far, so I'm happy with that. As far as fuel leaks, nothing there. Around the valve cover, I don't have any leaks there as well, so that's looking pretty good. No coolant leaks anywhere that I can see of. I know that for sure because everything is pretty much tight in every single spot. Over here, the bottom radiator hose, the top one, I don't really think coolant leaks are going to be an issue with this one. So I think this is going to put an end to this video right here. I'm going to continue to work on this tomorrow and probably Monday and see how far we can get, like fixing stuff and making sure it's running correctly. I want to really get the air pockets all the way out, and I want to get rid of that ICV thing, but I really don't want to drop 300 on that. But I really want to keep the IAC, so that would be nice to keep. But anyways, I'm out of here. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you guys are new here, we're trying to get this EM2 running, and hopefully maybe next week we'll be driving it, maybe up and down the parking lot until we can register it and stuff. Still got to do the brakes, still got a bunch of stuff to do. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Everyone be safe, take care, bye.